So it's done, we have $442 on the account. So while it's done, we have $848 on the account. Order for today. So first of all, let's try to open buy position at the CAD GPI currency pair. Why did we do this? Because according to the chart, we're moving in a strong downgoing channel. However, the strength of this downgoing movement has become much lower. Moreover, according to the Aroon oscillator, price is oversold extremely, and that means that we're highly likely to receive at least a short-term cool down. So that's why I expect to receive a very nice pullback reaction from this point. And as you can see, immediately when we invested our money, price started showing the pullback growing reaction. So that's why we have invested our whole deposit in this trade around $120, and now we're expecting to get cash from it, to get profit from it. And first trade is closed with profit, and we have around $230 on the account, and we are ready to move forward. Yep, let's try to open sell position, because I don't think that buyers will succeed to break through the downgoing trend line. We're highly likely to drop right now and get our profit from this trade. So it's done, we have $442 on the account. Let's proceed further. Okay, so I have opened buy position. I have invested $442. As you can see, we have done this because price did not break through the support line zone. We started receiving the pullback reaction from it, and now we are ready to grow. So while it's done, we have $848 on the account. Let's continue, my friends. Okay. So we have a very sharp flat channel without any direct movement. So we're just moving to the right. That's why. Let me change our investment to $484 and open buy position, because according to this flat channel, you can clearly see that now price is on the bottom line of this channel. And from this bottom line, we're highly likely to receive pullback reaction and start growing towards, towards at least the middle line of the downtrend channel, or even higher towards the upper edge of it. By the way, my friends, while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will find best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you'll get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will get your cash daily. Don't waste your time, do this right now, be with me, link in the description. Okay, while I was talking, we have already closed this trade with profit, and now we have around $1,628 on the account. So let's continue. And let me try to open buy position, because as you can see here, price is moving in a very sharp upgoing channel without even any downgoing correction. So that's why, of course, the only wise decision to do will be to open buy position in the continuation of the current growth, and we have already done this. So that's why money are invested, and we are waiting for the result of this trade right now, nothing more. This one is lost. We lost $1,000, but we still have time to recover. So that's why let's don't waste time. Let's just recover our deposit. Almost same kind of movement, but as you can see, finally price stopped, and we even trying to reverse. Anyway, let me change our investment to $628. and let me try to open buy position because still price is above two moving averages, what means that we're still in the buy zone. So that's why, as you can see, $628 I invested in this trade. Let's see, let's observe what will happen after. Finally, we have recovered a little bit. Now we need to, I think we still have enough time to open one more trade, recover all the losses, and be with around 2,000 bucks in the account. Fine, so here we're also moving in the upgoing trend without any serious corrections. Let me change our investment to $1,000 and let me try to open buy position here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it was not successful also. We lost 1,000. Once again, we have around 200 bucks left. And yes, so guys, it's not so good trading session today, but anyway, we at least earned $80. We had 120, now we have around 200 bucks. So anyway, we're in the profits, and you have seen that not each day can be profitable to you at all, but the main purpose is just to be always in profit, even in a small one. So what we have already done today. That's why, my friends, if you want to be always in profit without any losses, write me a message in the Telegram right now, be a part of my dream team. Link for my TG you can find them in the description to this video. Don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. See you all and bye bye.